What's up? Alright, so I want to tell you about 111 Shades Crest Road. This is up on the bluff. So up on the bluff, you know, you've got beautiful views. On one side you're going to have views of Ross Bridge. On the other side you got views of Hoover, the Hoover Met, dips down into Shelby County, all that good stuff. Well, this house, 111 Shades Crest Road, zoned for Hoover, is absolutely immaculate. The gentleman has the pride of ownership is just through the roof. When you walk in there, you'll know it's got a finished basement. In addition to the finished basement, you can convert it to a mother-in-law suite if you want to. The upstairs is immaculate. It's got 4 bedrooms upstairs. Here's the thing, on this one, most of the time, if you're up on the bluff, you get a wonderful view, but you got to sacrifice the lot for it. Not on this house. This house has got a huge flat lot, still got the beautiful mountain view, and you cannot go wrong. So that's enough of me yapping. I'm Gene Darden. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, help a brother out if you want to. But listen, main thing, go see this house.